Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by securing access. Obtain the API key or OAuth client credentials and confirm scopes. Once done, inspect the API docs to identify the endpoint and required headers. That saves time. Now open Power BI Desktop and choose Get Data Right Arrow Web or OData if provided. Paste the sample URL, include authentication or header placeholders, and make a quick test call. This first call validates connectivity and reveals the JSON layout you will transform in Power Query. Once you see the JSON, use Power Query. Click Transform Data, expand records into columns, and set proper data types. This ensures reliable visuals. If the API paginates, implement a pagination query. Either follow a next page token or increment an offset, then combine pages into one table. Make sure to include headers and any dynamic query parameters in the advanced editor. Also account for rate limits by batching requests or adding small delays, because failed calls break refreshes and corrupt incremental loads. You finish by publishing the report to Power BI Service and configuring dataset settings. Enter credentials, choose OAuth or API key, and set up a gateway if the API is behind a firewall. Then enable scheduled or incremental refresh and run a manual refresh to confirm success. If something goes wrong, check the refresh history for HTTP errors. Make sure tokens haven't expired and headers match the working desktop request. One key tip: replicate the exact request from desktop when troubleshooting service refresh.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.